Und das sind wir wieder! Raven King, was meinst du? Shell oder Russell?
Ah, wir haben gerade schon so Dussi-Karte, nehmen wir mal den Russell, oder?
Nehmen wir den Russell.
Was haben Sie? Abitur?
Abitur? Abitur, was ist denn das?
Was soll der mal? Abitur? Ah! Ich finde, die Grafik sieht ein bisschen anders aus.
Findest du? Ich denke, wenn sie nur anders stehen in Erinnerung. Weil ich glaube, grafisch hätten sie nichts gemacht.
Denkst
So, ich hab zuerst gedacht, das wäre ein Telefon.
I've been walking forever.
The Walking Black.
Missed the days of taking
I
short.
wanna go home. I wanna go home.
Hey, you getting up? Good.
Good.
Was ist denn das für ein scheiß Badass? Das ist so ein Badass. Was ist ein Badass?
I should probably hurry.
Oh.
Shit.
Shit. Hide. Oh. Die Made. Hast du die Made gesehen?
Widerlich.
Man.
Ja, leck an der Hand. Komisch, dass das Auto genau da hin.
Reunited.
I see you hiding down there with your boyfriend.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, man.
Ah, guck mal, der Truck, wo das Licht abgeschossen ist.
I ain't no kid.
You gotta be careful.
Ja, ist es?
Ja.
Piss off a stranger. Look, I don't care what you do to whatever corpse you find.
I wasn't.
What's your name?
Russell.
Russell.
So you didn't.
Das steht ja auch auf dem Rucksack.
I don't care who you steal from, if you did. Maybe you're in a gang that likes to rob people. I don't know. Are you,
Ja, sieht so aus.
you got some boys wearing hoodies I gotta worry about? Because you steal from me and I'll get your throat out.
I'm not in a gang.
You understand?
Not in a gang. It's fucking racist, man.
Hey now, I ain't no racist. I just call them like I see them. Just
Nee.
Wir
gonna
kennen.
get eaten out here otherwise.
Ja, egal, ich mach nix.
Ich hätte fast einen rassistischen
Ja,
Ausdruck
ja, ich hätte es auch fast gesagt.
You're gonna wait forever.
Aber wir sind keine Rassisten, wir sagen
Ah,
nur, wie es
gut.
ist.
See if I give a shit.
Nah, I'm good. Thanks.
Oh,
I
man.
don't want to ride.
Jesus. Don't be so damn sensitive.
Das ist zum Beispiel ein verdammter Redneck. Verdammter
Ja,
Redneck.
ich hab jetzt auch gesagt, ich will nicht mitfahren. So, ich hätte jetzt mitfahren können, das ist doch cool, oder? Ah, okay. Jetzt fahrt er zurück und nimmt mich doch mit.
Shit.
Change your mind?
Vielleicht ist es ja gar kein Arschloch. Weißt du nicht, was
Get
Was
in
da
there,
war?
tear it up.
Ja, vielleicht ist er einfach nur...
ein scheiß
Vielleicht
Redneck.
rettet er halt so.
Ja?
Name's Nate, by the way. Thanks for asking. You thirsty?
Bestimmt nicht.
Ein bisschen Booze. Ah, okay.
Good shit, ain't it? Hell of a kick, but it takes the edge off. You'll get used to it.
Actually, I think that's it for me. I'm good.
All right, fine. You want to tell me about where you come from, at least? Must have been with a crew.
Yum, Ohrenschmalz.
Tail back where you come from. Maybe drop you off, do a double back.
No tail.
No, tail.
Damn. I retract my question.
There was a girl who I liked, all right.
You're arguing semantics, Russ. Give a pal the deets.
All right. There was 7 of us. I didn't have any family there or nothing. They're all at my grand's down in Statesboro. There was a dad who had a daughter about my age. One guy said he used to be a cop, but nobody really believed him. Then a teacher and his wife. Leader was this guy, Steve.
Go back to the daughter.
Steve was a bad dude, but everybody was with him, you know? He said 7 was the magic number, so he didn't add nobody to the group. If we found survivors, it was the same every time. He
Let it out, Paco.
just, we gonna kill these folks and take their stuff or what? Then bang, they'd be dead. Anyway, I couldn't handle that. After weeks of it, I packed my shit up and figured I could make for grands alone and try to find my family. I slipped out of there. I couldn't live like that.
So nobody got down with the daughter then?
No, they didn't.
What would you give her? Strong 6? Just tell me something about her. How was the rat? Give me a little something. Just a taste. Russ, I'm doing you a service here. I gotta get my beak wet. I'll put it
You're
right in.
fucking rude.
You're fucking rude, man.
Oh, you're Miss Manners, that it? Let's try again. All right, maybe someone who wasn't so near and dear to your heart then.
What the fuck?
Come on, scale of 1 to 10. What do you think? Slamming before she was rocked, right? What do you think? Here, get a look.
Was macht der?
Alter, ist der krank.
Right? Get off me! Maybe you got high standards. If you say 5, I'm gonna flip. Tell me, Russ.
5! Fucking 5!
Oh, come on, man.
Scheiße.
Would you load that? Bullets in the glove there.
Ist der durch? Leck mich am Arsch.
Krankes Schwein. Ich hab schon gedacht, die Episode ist...
Ich habe eben auch schon gedacht, es wäre vorbei.
Let's look for some supplies in here. See if we can fill up while we're at it.
Ich hab schon gedacht, der will sich jetzt andere auf drum machen.
Oh, jetzt geht's los.
Drecksau.
Stop being a pussy.
Alright.
Oh.
Shit! Go! Get out!
Oh.
Russ! Get the fuck down, man! You don't want to be there! Get to the truck! I'll cover you!
Okay.
You got bullets this time?
Don't think about it, just run! I'll keep his fucking head down!
What the fuck? Wow. Schneller, Russell, schneller!
Good hustle.
What happened to I'll cover you?
Yeah, good you did.
Alright. What are we gonna do?
First, we're gonna figure out exactly where this asshole is. Just get a quick glance.
Ja, wie er immer alles machen muss.
Down!
So, im Fenster.
See? Easy. Now we know where he is, we can fucking get him.
Ja, wie easy.
That's the spirit. Let's push this truck for cover.
Okay.
Und zwar seitlich.
Just keep your head down.
So. Dann drücken wir mal und drücken und drücken und drücken.
Shit! Just keep pushing!
Mit dem Platte ist es natürlich noch schöner. Ja, mit 2 Platte ist natürlich am allerschönsten.
So schnell dürfte die Luft da eigentlich gar nicht rausgehen.
Ja gut, mit dem Schussloch drin. Ist halt schon groß.
Seriously this time. I'm not fucking around.
You gonna cover me?
If we get to that car, we'll be out of the line of fire. Here. You can cover me first. I'm not fucking around. You cover me, then I'll cover you. Or if you want to go first, that's fine too.
I'll cover you.
Cover you. You go first.
Just
Erscheint mir irgendwie
that fucker's head
sinnvoller.
I get where I'm going. Throw me the gun, and I'll do the same. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Russ? Cover my ass now.
Ey, mit Sniper.
Don't stop shooting. Fire! All right, throw me the gun, and I'll cover you.
Okay. Wahrscheinlich steigt er jetzt ins Auto ein, fahrt.
Go! Good job!
Sauber. Hätte ich nicht gedacht.
There, and we should be good. Go!
Ach gut.
Das war doch kein Arschloch. Aber irgendwie ist er krank.
Er ist gestört einfach.
You saved my life.
Whatever. We got more work to do. Let's see if we can get in around back. Sneak up on this asshole. Follow me.
Man, what are we doing?
Well, we gotta get in there. Fucker shot at us. Russell, relax, man. When this is over, we're gonna take what we can, head on down to your Grams, and have a big old home-cooked meal, all right? Come on. Okay, it's clear. Keep your head down and follow me. You got it. All right. We're gonna be fucking quiet. We're gonna sneak up on this son of a bitch and take him out. You hear me? Not a fucking beep. Let's go.
Hast du die Facts gezählt?
Fuck.
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 See if there's anyone else.
So.
I think I saw a guy.
Wo? Hier?
I'll cover you.
Do I sneak up? Or just jump out and grab him?
Your call.
Boah. Scheiße, ist schon spannend. Wahrscheinlich ist es einfach nur einer von der Gute. Das ist kein echter Dr. Pup.
Als steht er das nicht her?
Don't fucking move!
Walt! Oh!
Get the fuck out of here, you monsters!
Whoa, Gramps!
I told you not to come back here. Think you could just leave your mask at home? And now you're with this fucking spook.
First off, watch the fucking racism. This is my boy. Secondly, I don't fucking know you. We were just passing by like anyone else.
Bullshit! You came back to finish us off and take all our food.
You've lost your goddamn marbles.
She's dying, and now she can see your face.
Mask? What's he talking about?
Fuck if I know. He's crazy.
Have you been here before?
Russell, don't you start. You tried to kill us for no goddamn reason. If anything, we should take you out for that.
Please just get the fuck out of here.
Ich war scheiße.
Say, Russ, should we just kill these folks and take all their stuff?
What the fuck? Down, goodbye.
I'm done. That's it, man. I don't know you, and I don't want to.
Can't you take a fucking joke?
Fuck your jokes. I'm sorry, I'm out.
Come on. Can we still be friends?
No.
Boah, das war wahrscheinlich das Beste, was ich hätte machen können. Boah, was ein asozialer Dreckswichser. Denkst du, ich hätte die retten können irgendwie?
Keine Ahnung.
Keine Ahnung. Und das war's. Vielen Dank fürs Zusehen. Wir sehen uns beide schnell.
Chill.